Yo, what's cracking YouTube? This is Silver, and today I'm coming at you with a new unboxing video. And today I'm going to unbox the Cyborg V.7 keyboard for PC. Yeah, let's get into it. So let's see how you open this thing. I think it's around here. Yeah. I've got to get a tripod for a camera or something. It's really hard to open boxes with just one hand. Maybe I can just open this side. Sorry. Seems like I can. Let's just try to pour it out. But it won't. Sorry. It's coming out, bros. Sorry about the shaky recording. What if we open this side, then we can push it out on the other side? That's a good idea. Yes. Look, it's coming out. It's getting a boner. Come on, just get out. I can see something. Oh my god. And it's out. So let's see. This is the wrist rest or whatever it's called. You have your wrists on it. Cyborg installation disc for the macro keys. And this is the keyboard. It's looking good. It's all the wires. You see, there's the mic and audio cable and two USB cables. One is for the extra USB thingy on the keyboard, and one is for the keyboard itself. What's this? Seems like it's some extra keys if you want if you don't want it to be on Swedish like Norwegian and Danish and shit. Mine is Swedish. And this is just for users with the Norwegian keyboard layout. And I don't want that, so let's throw it away in the box. So let's start off with, I don't need these keys. Hi. The wrist pad or wrist thingy. Looks really nice. Seems to be a bit longer than my last keyboard. And the keyboard itself. What side do it get out from? Oh, this is a heavy keyboard. I can feel it already. Yeah, it's really heavy. What if my desk will crash? See, there's like metal on the VASD keys, the space button, and these arrow keys. So I'm going to set up this keyboard in the computer and then we'll see how it looks like. So see you guys later. Peace out. So guys, this is how the keyboard looks like when it's in darkness. Looks really nice. Let's try to make the phone focus. Yeah, because it has this backlit keys, and you can actually change the color. You have red, green, yellow, fire orange, and orange. So, and you can actually also change the brightness here. Now it's on 0 brightness. That's a little. No, sorry, pressed the wrong button. A little light, then lighter, and yeah. So you see, and here's the button where you. I'll just go and turn the lights on in my room so you guys can see everything. Just place you here for a second. There we go. So here's a button where you can turn all the lights off. Just like that. Go on again, please. Yeah. And this button, I'm not really sure. I think it's that you can turn off the Windows key. Because that's annoying. And here you can lower and volume, lower and what do you call it? Yeah, raise the volume on the PC. That's a mute button, and play and pause, backward and forward button. And here's the cyborg mode key, and here is a thingy where you can change all the lighting stuff and when you're in cyborg mode, and that's the keys that I showed you. So when you put into cyborg mode, this is how it looks like for me, how I set it up. Bam. So I have these WASD red, and everything else is green. But you can change it by pressing this button, these buttons here. So first press that one, then that one, and then I can change the color of those guys at the end. And I can press the WASD area and change that as well. And I can also change this, as you see, and the arrow keys, and also the numbers here. So it's a real nice keyboard. I've enjoyed it so far. It's been 10 minutes. And as you can see here, there's a USB port right there. And I'm actually charging my phone in it right now. And there's also the microphone and audio inputs there. But I don't use them right now. So, real nice keyboard. Seems to be really good. It's like really heavy, so I think it can take a couple of punches if you like rage on it. So it's pretty epic, and these are the macro keys. There's 12 of them, and you can program them however you want, I think. But I'm not that like a World of Warcraft guy, so I don't think I will need those, but it looks nice anyway. And you can take this thing away, and you can also change the how high you want it to be, 2 mode. Sorry about that, guys, I ran out of memory on my phone, but you can change it here. so that's real nice. And yeah, there's not much more to say than that this is a nice keyboard. And yeah, if you want me to make a review on it, then just tell me. And also, if you want me to make a review of the Astro A40 audio system that I bought a couple of months ago, and the FPS Freaks that I bought a couple of months ago. So just tell me if you want reviews after the unboxings, and I'll try to make one. So this has been Silver, and I'm out. Peace.